So today I'm gonna be discovering does the music affect the solving of the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna be using 10 different genres of music and 10 different songs. Here's how I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna use a standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube and a timer. I'm gonna be solving the Rubik's Cube 3 times for each song and recording each time I solve. So right here I have 10 different styles of music. The first song is gonna be pop, which is Last Friday Night by Katy Perry. Second one is rock, which is Radioactive by Imagine Dragons. Then we got electronic, which is Faded by Alan Walker. Then we have R&B, which is gonna be Timeless by The Weeknd. Next one is hip hop, which is gonna be Humble by Kendrick Lamar. I have country, a bar song Tipsy. Also I have a classical genre, which is gonna be Idea 22 by Gabriel Alcoker. Then I have K-pop, which is gonna be Gangnam Style. Alt pop, Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. And funk, which is gonna be Vision by UDNXN. So all the tracks I have on my laptop, and I'm gonna be listening to them on those headphones while solving the Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into it. My hypothesis is that the fast-paced music is gonna be helping me to solve the Rubik's Cube faster, and the other side is gonna be like slower music, like classical, that is gonna be making me slower. That's what I think. I'm gonna mix the Rubik's Cube by myself, just using the random combinations. First I wanted to make it the same. Every time I wanted to use the same pattern to mix it, but then I thought that I'm gonna be memorizing the pattern, which is not gonna be perfect for my science test. So I decided that I'm gonna be mixing it by myself randomly. Let's go. So I'm gonna start with pop. So the song we've got is Last Friday Night by Katy Perry. So I've got 47 seconds and 0.6 milliseconds. That's a pretty good result. Let's repeat it twice more. The second time we've got 41 seconds, 83 milliseconds, which is actually pretty close to the first result. Let's do it last time. The third time for the pop was 42 seconds, 74 milliseconds, which is pretty close to all of those. Alright, let's go to the next one. Next we got electronic. An old song by Alan Walker, Faded. This song was the first one to pop up on my mind when I thought of electronic. So, let's do it. Where are you now? The first time for the Faded, we got 45.18. Second time, 45.15. 37.76. This is actually my record for now. Anyway, let's go to the next one. So next one we got R&B, which is Timeless by The Weeknd and Playboi Carti. This is the best sound I've ever heard. Just listen to the Rubik's Cube. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. 42.11. Second try. 42.95. And now the last try. 50 seconds, 27 milliseconds. The next one, we've got Country, which is a bar song Tipsy by Shabuzi. Let's go. 51.41. Second try. 43.71. Third round. 54.08. Let's go to the next genre. Next, we have classical. About this one, I'm not sure. It's probably gonna slow me down. The song is Idea 22. Everybody heard it on like TikTok, maybe Instagram. It's a pretty famous song. Whatever, we'll just start. I love to listen to it when I'm studying. It's actually like relaxing. Well, no more yapping. 41.35. Second round. 52.40. This is the third round. 48.99. That's pretty good. Next we got K-pop, which is Gangnam Style by PSY. I don't know why did I choose that song. It's K-pop, so I was like, sure. Yeah, this is gonna be really good. Let's do it.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
35.52. That's the best one so far. I knew it. I guess my hypothesis is gonna be right. We'll see later. 2 more times. 34.66. That's the record. Another one. I guess I was right. I gotta do one more time. 50 seconds, 79 milliseconds. This is a bit worse, but still, the average is gonna be good. Next style. And next we have Alt Pop, which is Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. This is a really chill song. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the best with it. We'll see.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the
40 seconds, 82 milliseconds. Not that bad. Second round. 34.61. That's another record. How many times have I beaten my record? We got last try. 36.97. Damn, I feel like this is gonna be the best one. The next song is Funk. We got Vision by UD and XN. This song started appearing on my TikTok. I'm sure you've seen it. Those edits of car in space, car in the ocean, they do whatever. So yeah, this is not the type of funk I usually listen to. I usually listen to like Brazilian funk, but I started liking the song, so I'm gonna be listening to it. Let's do it. $49.51. Not what I expected. Second try. 43.22. This is a bit better, but still not what I expect. We'll get last try. I guess funk is not that good for selling this. It also depends on the type of funk. This is actually kind of the chill kind of funk, so I should have changed to something like better. So like a pump up, like a Brazilian funk. Well, we got that. Whatever. 46 seconds, 26 milliseconds. Next genre. So next we have rock, which is gonna be Radioactive by Imagine Dragon. 35 seconds, 80 milliseconds. Second try. 38.96. Last try. 38.42. Next style. So the next style and the last style is hip hop, which is gonna be Humble by Kendrick Lamar.
Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances, finessing on them with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my account.
49 seconds, 19 milliseconds. Second try. 45.10. Last try. 46.01. So that was the final one. So I'm gonna show you the results right now on the table, and we'll see what we've got. So here in this table you see all the songs arranged from the fastest to the slowest. I did not think that Birds of a Feather would get on the first place, but it is the winner. Next we have rock, K-pop, electronic pop, classical, R&B, funk, hip-hop, and country. So yeah, the average of the whole thing was 43 seconds, 52 milliseconds. If you're curious, then my own record is 28.62 seconds for this guy, which we didn't beat anywhere in this whole experiment. Also, I was using the classic method, the easiest one, not the Jessica's method, but I'm trying to learn the professional method, but I'm still holding with that one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this experiment, and we'll see you next one. Peace.